Vance, do you know where that spare 4-gas meter is? Vance? Ooh. Vance? Oh no. Oh my word. I hope this is a joke. Vance, I am so glad you're just napping. I thought something horrible happened. Oh, we gotta get you some help.
Yeah, can you call IT? I forgot my password.
I'm gonna call 911.
Okay, just save yourself first, okay?
Okay. Hi, I need to report an emergency. Yeah, it looks like a pretty serious head wound. 35-year-old male. Okay, now we're just gonna put a little pressure on to stop the bleeding. Okay, looks like the ambulance is here. Just hold tight. They'll be in a minute.
My head hurts. Not like over here or like here anywhere, but like right there.
I wonder why. We're gonna need a bigger kit.